Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns using Computax software. First, ensure you have all your financial documents ready, such as Form 16, bank statements, and investment proofs. Next, install or update your Computax software to the most current version. Finally, open the application and create a new tax return file, carefully selecting the correct assessment year to begin your process. Now, let's move on to entering your financial data. Begin by accurately filling in all your personal information, such as your permanent account number and address. Then, meticulously input all sources of income, including salary, business profits, and capital gains. Remember to also record all eligible deductions and exemptions, like those under Section 80C, to ensure you maximize your tax savings. After entering your data, the Computax software will automatically calculate your total tax liability. It's crucial to carefully review all the entered information and the calculated figures for any potential errors or discrepancies. Take your time to verify that every section is complete and accurate, ensuring that your tax return reflects your financial situation precisely before moving to the final steps. The final step involves e-filing your return and obtaining confirmation. Generate the final tax return file in the specific electronic format required by the tax authorities. Then, upload this file to the official tax department portal. Once successfully submitted, download and securely save your acknowledgement receipt, which serves as proof of your filing. This completes your income tax return process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.